Everyone, myself Dr. Sriparna Saha, and in this lecture series we are talking about different aspects of genetic algorithms. Till now, we have already covered the block diagram of simple GA. Here we have already discussed how to generate the initial population and then calculate their fitness. After that, if the generated population doesn't converge, then how to select the best fitted population from the mating pool, that we are going to discuss in today's topic. So today we are going to talk about selection techniques. So what is selection and why to do it? So selection is the process to choose the individuals in the population that will create offspring for the next generation. The purpose of selection is to emphasize fittest individuals such that offsprings have better fitness values. So what we have understood, that is selection is the process by which we are going to choose the best fitted individuals. If we do the reproduction among best fitted individuals, then we can hope that the child population are going to have much better fitness values. So that is the selection process. So the selection techniques are of different types, or there are 5 different ways of doing selection, namely canonical roulette wheel selection, rank based selection, tournament selection, and steady state selection. So first one is the canonical selection. Here suppose for one particular gene, that is the IH gene, your fitness value is Fi. Then are we going to consider that Fi value? No. We are going to divide that Fi fitness value by the average fitness, that is F bar, and calculate its fitness, that is the fitness I. So fitness I is the Fi divided by F bar, where F bar is the average evaluation of all individuals in the population size capital N, and F bar is calculated by this particular formula. Next selection process is roulette wheel selection. Here the probability of an individual is considered to be proportional to its fitness. It is implemented with the help of a wheel. Suppose you have 5 chromosomes and that 5 chromosome has probabilities 5.2, 3.2, 1.4, 1.2 and 2. So the total size of this wheel can be divided into 5 pieces based on the values of the probabilities. So the surface area of the wheel is divided into n parts according to the proportion of the fitness values of n chromosomes. The wheel can be rotated along clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. For this particular picture, we are going to rotate the wheel clockwise. A fixed pointer that you can see in that image is used to locate the area chosen when the wheel stops rotating. Here the probability Pi of ith area is calculated as Fi divided by summation of all the fitness values of all n chromosomes, and the chromosome having higher fitness value is likely to be selected more. The wheel can be rotated more than once, and each time winner is decided by the pointer. Now there are some problems with roulette wheel selection. The chromosome with higher fitness values will guard the others, and the lower valued chromosomes will never be selected for mating. As the area covered by the higher fitness value chromosome will be much bigger, so it is obvious that that particular area can be chosen much more amount of time. So lower valued chromosome maybe doesn't have any stand to take part in the reproduction. So this leads to a lesser diversity and lesser scope for exploring the alternative solutions. The problem can terminate with local optima solution as well. and the solution to this wheel selection is ranked based selection. So next selection technique is ranked based selection. Here we need to arrange all n chromosomes in ascending order of their fitness values. Rank of the chromosomes according to their position in the order, that is 1 for the worst and n for the best. So suppose we have 5 chromosomes. Just see in this particular image we have already discussed. Here if we need to go for the rank based selection, so that is first chromosome, that rank would have been 5, as we are going to assign rank n for the best. So that is 5.2, that first chromosome rank will be n, and the lowest one, that is the 1.2, that belongs to the fourth chromosome. For that fourth chromosome the rank will have been 1, and this is how you need to rank all the other chromosomes that are present in the pool. Now after the ranking we need to apply the roulette wheel selection based on their assigned ranks. The probability Pi of the ith area is modified as rank divided by summation of all the ranks of all n chromosomes. Just see, earlier the probability is decided based on the fitness values for the roulette wheel selection, but rank based selection it is based on the rank. This rank based selection has some advantages than the roulette wheel selection, as here it will be based on rank, so the problem might not terminate with local optima solution. After that, next selection technique is tournament selection. So what is a tournament? That is, suppose n teams are playing with each other. Suppose it's a cricket tournament, so that means there will be n teams both, and here all of the teams are going to play with each other to decide who is the winner. Same thing for the chromosome here. Here the two chromosomes are going to compete with each other, similar to a tournament. So we need to pick n, that is a small n, which should be less than equal to capital N individuals randomly from a mating pool population size of capital N. Now we need to determine the best one among n in terms of their fitness values. Now we are going to place the best individual into the mating pool, which was initially empty. Now we need to repeat the process many times until the population size of mating pool becomes NP. That is, we have decided the mating pool size is NP. So we need to repeat the process until that time the size becomes NP. After that we have come to the steady state selection. So in this steady state selection we need to again select n individuals randomly, and that n individuals with the worst fitness values from total population of capital N chromosomes are replaced with small m chromosomes selected in the previous state and are added to the mating pool, and this process needs to be repeated until the mating pool of desired size is obtained. So what we are doing basically, we are rejecting the less fitted chromosomes with the best fitted chromosomes here, and we are trying to achieve a steady state. So this is all about steady state selection. All the selection techniques that are popularly available in this domain. So thank you everyone and happy studying.